Hi there, everybody. It's Kimberlee from Back Office Diva. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to personalize a road trip on Google Maps. So following my cursor here, you're going to go and click on this menu icon, these three lines, and then go down to Your Places and click on that. So this brings you into a new area with these four tabs, and you're going to click on the Maps tab. And then way down at the bottom is your option to create a map. So you just click on that, and then you're ready to create your map. And you're going to want to move my face out of the way again. So title your map something relevant, say fall road trip, for instance, and then whatever is relevant you add down here, and you don't have to. And then don't forget to click add. Okay, so now we're going to add our first place. So let's say we want to take a trip up to Boise this fall. So you just put Boise in your search field right here, and here we are in Boise. So see this plus sign right here? Add to the map. And now it's added, but you can go a step further and you can get fun and creative with this by adding a color. So let's say you want all the places you're going to stop on this particular trip to be purple. And let's say you are staying at a friend's house here, so you're going to click this icon for a house. And then you click out of here, and that's basically it. Except you can also go into the edit field here and make whatever changes. You can put your friend's phone number or their address, their specific address, although most likely you would already have that in here. You would have searched for their actual address. You can change the title as well, and don't forget to save it. Okay, so then you can X out of here. And I want to point this out right under here, fall road trip. Under here is Boise, Idaho. Okay, one more to show you how this works is, let's say you're going to Bend, Oregon from Boise. Okay, so here we are in Bend, and you want to click it again to add it to the map. You look for that plus sign. So this is on the same route, on the same road trip, so you're going to keep it purple. But let's say you're going to be staying in a hotel that night. So you're going to click the hotel icon. And as you can see here, you can also browse for other icons. Okay, so you see over here in the left-hand side, under this particular road trip, you've got Boise, and now you've got Bend. And then you can go ahead and, again, you can edit and type in, whatever you want, hotel information, for instance, right there. Okay, maybe check-in time or check-out time or whatever. So that's it, basically. And then you just keep going and add more locations as you decide where you're going to go. Okay, so I hope you have fun with this. I think it's a fabulous tool, and I've used it several times now, and I'll continue to use it because I love it. So have fun with it, and good luck. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.